Ever wondered how to make the perfect pad thai at home? Well, you're not alone. This iconic Thai stir-fried noodle dish has won hearts and taste buds across the globe. It's a symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas, a testament to the culinary prowess of Thai cuisine. The magic of pad thai lies in its perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. It's an artful combination of simple yet vibrant ingredients: rice noodles, fresh shrimp and tofu, bean sprouts, crushed peanuts, lime, and a handful of spices and sauces. There's the tang of tamarind, the umami of fish sauce, the heat of red chili, and the earthiness of garlic. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the dish's complex flavor profile. Ready to bring the taste of Thailand into your kitchen? Let's dive right into it. First things first, gather all your ingredients. The backbone of any pad thai is the rice noodles, which give the dish its signature texture. You'll also need fresh shrimp and tofu for protein. Now let's add some zest with bean sprouts, crushed peanuts, and a lime, which will bring a crisp, tangy edge to the dish. Eggs will add a fluffy, light element, and then we have our flavor powerhouses. Tamarind paste for that distinct, tangy, sweet taste, fish sauce for a deep umami flavor, garlic for a punch of aromatic goodness, and red chili for a spicy kick. Each ingredient has its unique role, coming together to create the harmonious medley of flavors that is pad thai. And remember, the key to a great pad thai is not just in the cooking but also in the quality of the ingredients. So, choose fresh and high-quality ingredients whenever possible. With all your ingredients in place, you're ready to start cooking. Before you fire up the stove, there's some prep work to do. First, let's start with the rice noodles. Soak them in lukewarm water until they become just soft, but not too mushy. While the noodles are soaking, let's prepare the shrimp and tofu. Make sure the shrimp is cleaned and deveined, and cut your tofu into bite-sized pieces. Next, let's prepare our tangy pad thai sauce. This is where the magic happens. Mix tamarind paste, fish sauce, and a sprinkle of sugar. Blend them together until you have a smooth, fragrant concoction that's sweet, sour, and salty all at once. And let's not forget about our garnishes. Slice your lime into wedges and get your bean sprouts and crushed peanuts ready. Remember, the secret to a great pad thai is in the preparation. By having everything prepped and ready to go, you'll be able to create a dish that's as efficient as it is delicious. Now that everything's prepped, it's time to get cooking. With your wok at the ready, it's time to stir-fry your way to a delicious pad thai. Step 1, let's get that wok smoking. Turn your stove to medium-high heat, and add a generous swirl of oil. The wok should be just hot enough to make a bead of water sizzle and evaporate. Now, let's wake up the flavors. Toss in the chopped garlic and red chili, and let them sizzle for a moment. The air should be filled with a tantalizing aroma that heralds the start of something wonderful. Next, it's time to add the protein. Slide in your shrimp and tofu, stir-frying them until they're just starting to get that appetizing golden edge. Then, push everything to one side of the wok to make room for the egg. Crack it in, and scramble it until it's softly set. Now for the star of the show, the rice noodles. Drain them well and add them to the wok. Pour your pad thai sauce all over, making sure to distribute it evenly. The noodles will start to soften and absorb all those incredible flavors. Keep everything moving in the wok so nothing sticks or burns. Stir-frying until the noodles are tender but still have a bit of bite. As we near the finish line, it's time to add the crunch. Toss in a handful of bean sprouts and crushed peanuts. They add a wonderful texture contrast that's a hallmark of a good pad thai. And there you have it. Your pad thai is ready to leave the wok and make its grand appearance at the dining table. But wait, don't forget the final flourish. Serve it hot, with a generous squeeze of fresh lime. It adds a bright zing that lifts the entire dish. And for those who like a little extra crunch, a sprinkling of extra crushed peanuts on top. And just like that, you've cooked up a mouth-watering pad thai. It's a dish that's as fun to cook as it is to eat, a vibrant medley of flavors and textures that's sure to impress. So grab your chopsticks and dig in. Time to plate up your pad thai and enjoy the fruits of your labor. After all, food is as much about visual appeal as it is about taste. Serve your pad thai on a vibrant plate, mirroring the colorful streets of Thailand where this dish was born. To enhance the dining experience, provide additional toppings like chili flakes for an extra kick, or sugar for a hint of sweetness. Each person can tailor their pad thai to suit their unique palate. And don't forget the essential Thai iced tea. Its sweet, creamy coolness complements the complex flavors of the pad thai beautifully. Remember, the magic of pad thai lies in the balance of flavors: sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, all harmoniously coexisting in one dish. When you take a bite, close your eyes and savor the symphony of tastes. Now you're ready to enjoy your homemade pad thai. Bon appetit! Cooking pad thai at home is a culinary adventure worth embarking on. From gathering your ingredients, the fresh shrimp, the tangy tamarind, the fiery chili, and the delicate rice noodles, to preparing the distinctive pad thai sauce, every step is a delightful exploration of Thai cuisine. The sizzle of the wok as you stir-fry, the aroma of garlic and chili blending with shrimp and tofu, the noodles soaking up the flavorsome sauce, it all comes together in a symphony of taste and texture. And the final touch, a sprinkle of crunchy peanuts, a burst of lime, and a side of Thai iced tea. But remember, the real secret is in balancing flavors and using fresh ingredients. So we encourage you to try it out, tweak it to your liking, and share your pad thai stories with us in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.